Hi there, I'm meteorologist Mariel Ruiz. Thanks for joining us on WFAA Plus. We're giving you an update on the active weather that we have for this morning. We do have a WFAA weather alert day. It's until 3 this afternoon, and it's for the potential of thunderstorms that could be up to quarter size, up to 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, and of course the heavy rain. That heavy rain is what's prompted a flood watch, and I'll show you that. But the best thing to do is what you're doing now. Watch us on WFAA Plus. That way you can get those continuous updates throughout the morning and afternoon, and of course as we see fit. And you can always have our WFAA mobile app. If you're on the go, we can alert you. We do have a severe thunderstorm watch in place. A watch simply means that the conditions are there for thunderstorms that move into this area to be on the strong to severe side. That's until 10. And this now does include Dallas, Tarrant, Ellis, Johnson, Hill County, Hood County, Parker, Palo Pinto County towards the west. We do actively have thunderstorms moving through that area in one active severe thunderstorm warning. Right now, the Metroplex, we are looking at some showers and storms. It does look like we are going to be issued there a severe thunderstorm warning for Tarrant County. I do want to take you in across our other severe thunderstorm warning. This is for Erath and Palo Pinto County until 9. And it's as this line moves towards the east, we could be seeing quarter-size hail, 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts along the leading edge, and that's as it's closing in on Highway 281. But this overall moving to the east at about 45 miles per hour, so likely making it to Granbury around 9:12. The strongest part of the storm. Granbury already seeing some light showers in the area. Here's our other severe thunderstorm warning. It is for Denton and Tarrant County. There's a cluster of thunderstorms from Fort Worth to Arlington moving north, and as these storms move to the north, they could become a bit better together and provide wind gusts of close to 60 miles per hour and some small hail. Right now, if this is producing hail, this will likely be up to quarter size. So we'll be watching this here for the remainder of that warn time. Again, this is a severe thunderstorm warning for Denton and for Tarrant County until 9:30. At this point, if you're in these areas, just make sure to stay off the roads. Keep in mind, we've already had some beneficial rain the last couple of weeks, so any additional rain at this point will likely cause some runoff, and that runoff is going to accumulate in low-lying areas, so likely also causing a minor flood threat at the moment. So we'll be watching that again, our severe thunderstorm warning for Denton and Tarrant County until 9:30. As that cluster of storms takes more of a northward turn there. A few scattered showers continue for the rest of North Texas right now. We are looking at a few isolated thunderstorms going into Johnson County, and otherwise we are waiting for this main line to eventually move into the Metroplex, and that'll really influence our flood concern as we get closer towards late morning. So I'm going to show you the timeline. This is Tuesday, 8 in the morning. You see that line of showers and storms between 8 and 9. You'll see them kind of closing in on the I-35 corridor. At about 10, we see that heavy rain moving into Denton, Tarrant, Johnson, Hill County, and then eventually it does span to include the rest of the Metroplex between 10 and about 11. These thunderstorms are moving kind of slow, so that's what's increasing the flood concern. The more east of these storms move, they'll kind of get their act together, especially southeast of Navarro County, and that's where we could see a higher threat for strong to severe storms. It's now around 1. Notice how some activity still in the Metroplex and in Ellis County, Navarro County as well. Our eastern counties will then be dealing with most of the activity into the early to mid-afternoon. It's now around 3 in the afternoon. You see Canton, Athens still looking at some heavy rainfall, and then the Metroplex really does begin to dry out. So this is a between now and 2, 3 in the afternoon thing. We're not going to be dealing with this into the evening and the overnight hours. Let me show you the system that's impacting us. So we have this area of low pressure, and where the low pressure, the warm front and the cold front meet is where the highest threat for severe weather is. So that's where we have our severe thunderstorm potential for this afternoon. It'll be southeast of Navarro and Henderson County with some strong thunderstorms still in the area for the rest of North Texas, but the highest threat is to the southeast, and that is actually where our enhanced risk for severe weather is. through the afternoon, with most of, well, really the rest of North Texas under a slight level 2 risk. There's your flood watch for today. It does include the Metroplex. 1 to 3 inch totals, isolated up to 4 will be possible. So as you go throughout the afternoon, our temperatures likely only staying in the 60s for a majority of the day, with rain coverage staying pretty high through noon and really dropping as the evening continues. We will have the latest update on GMT that starts at 9 in the morning. You can catch it here on WFAA Plus. We will also have our radar stream going in case you just want to look at radar. That's also on WFAA Plus. And of course, if we need to update you, we will hop back on right here on WFAA Plus. Thanks for joining us.